long does it usually take to run a proper accessibility check on a website? Today, I'm going to show you how I generate a full WCAG 2.2 AA accessibility audit in under 60 seconds using one single prompt. Here's how it works. I paste my accessibility prompt, short version here on screen. I set the role to Senior Accessibility Expert, Front-End and UI Specialist. The prompt runs in two phases. 1. Full accessibility evaluation. 2. Automatic HTML report generation. No plugins, no extensions, just a URL or screenshots. I enter the Ryanair website URL, hit enter, and the audit starts instantly. Here's the HTML already, and with one click on preview, boom! This is your full accessibility report. The report opens with a clean hero section, title, badges, and a short summary based on WCAG 2.2 AA. You immediately see the big issues: low contrast, focus problems, unclear labels, navigation risks, potential compliance red flags. Perfect for stakeholders who need the quick version first. Then you get a structured overview: what the site does, first accessibility impressions, immediate risks, all in simple, non-technical language. The next section breaks everything down into real WCAG categories: perceivable, operable, understandable, robust, plus extra modules like keyboard, screen reader, contrast, forms, cognitive load. Every card includes a score, a benchmark, specific WCAG-linked issues, impact for users, fix recommendations, and the most important part, so what this means for the business. This is the kind of clarity teams normally spend days writing. The audit also generates a top 5 accessibility issues list: severity, business impact, why it matters, how urgently it should be fixed. This is incredibly useful for sprint planning or for making accessibility work visible to management. AI makes accessibility checks fast, but it does not replace real accessibility judgment. If the report finds issues, you decide how severe they are, which users are affected, and what takes priority. AI gives structure. You bring expertise. If you want to try this yourself, the full accessibility prompt is linked in the Notion document below. Leave a comment. Which website should I run through the WCAG audit next? And if this helped you, drop a like. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.